And good morning, third grade students. Welcome to Eureka Math. And we could say, what does the Latin phrase Eureka, translate to in English? Well, it translates to I have found it. And what have we found? We found the best way to learn math, which is more valuable than gold. Now we're going to take a quick look at our homework from last night. Excuse me. Katrina goes on a hike. That's what we know. She brings a notebook, a pencil, and a camera. The weight of each item is shown in the chart. What is the total weight of all three items? Okay, so we're going to do some addition here. Let's add the notebook and pencil first. 312 grams plus 10 grams. Bring the grams down. 322 grams. Now we still have to add the camera on, so we're going to go 322 grams plus 365 grams. Bring the G down. There's 7, 8, 6. It looks like the total weight is 687 grams. Hope you got that one right. Let's go to number 2. Together, a horse and its rider weigh 729 kilograms. The horse weighs 625 kilograms. How much does the rider weigh? Okay, we're going to be subtracting here. Taking the total weight of 729 minus 625. What do we get? 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 7 minus 6 is 1. The rider weighs 104 kilograms. All right. Do one more before we move on to our mid-module assessment. Teresa's soccer team fills up 6 water coolers before the game. Each water cooler holds 9 liters of water. How many liters of water do they fill? Whoops, that's a squiggly line. Okay, so we have 6 water containers that each hold 9 liters. So let's do this. And we can go, there's a total of 6 water containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, they each hold 9 liters. What we're trying to find out is what all of them hold together. So we know each of these is 9. So we can do 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 times 6, or we could do repeated addition. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. But I think it would be better to go 9 times 6, and we could use our number chart if we don't know that. It happens to be 54, and then we would write, they fill 54 liters of water. Period. I think we have time for one more. Dwight purchased 48 kilograms of fertilizer for his vegetable garden. He needs 5 kilograms of fertilizer for each bed of vegetables. Okay, how many is that, 5 or 6? How many beds of vegetables can he fertilize? Okay, so we have 48 kilograms and we're dividing them by 6. Okay, so let's think about that. The total here is 48 kilograms, right? 48 kilograms. Okay, and 6 kilograms of fertilizer for each bed of vegetables. So we have to figure out how many 6s are in 48. So you do 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I'm going to run out of room. 42 and 48, I think. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So it looks like he could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He can fertilize 8 beds of vegetables. All right. Set our mid-module assessment. Go ahead and turn your homework into the blue bin. And the mid-module assessment's on your desk. Go ahead and put your name and today's date. Name and date right there. Let's start annotating. Okay. Says Fatima runs errands. That's what we do know. The clock to the right shows what time she leaves home. What time does she leave? So you're going to have to look at that clock and figure out what time it is. We'll go on. It takes Fatima 17 minutes to go from her home to the market. So 17 minutes. Use the number line below to show what time she gets to the market. So you're going to figure out what time it is and then add on 17 to show what time it is. The clock to the right shows what time Fatima leaves the market. What time does she leave the market? So you're looking at what time she leaves, okay? Right here, how long does Fatima spend at the market? Now remember, it's going to be from this time to this time is how much she spends at the market, all right? So this is when she gets to the market, the time you figure out on the timeline, and this is when she leaves. Okay, so we have to work on some subtraction. Let's go to the next page. Here. Okay. At the market, Fatima uses a scale to weigh a bag of almonds and a bag of raisins shown below. What is the total weight of the almonds and the raisins? So you have to figure out the almonds and then add on the raisins, okay? So look really close to figure out what is which is which. Okay, we're going to capacity now. The amount of juice in one bottle is shown to the right. There's one bottle. Fatima needs 18 liters for a party. Draw and label a tape diagram to find out how many bottles of juice she should buy. Okay, so let's start with a tape diagram. She needs 18 liters, and each one holds 2. Okay, so figure that out. We'll say Fatima needs blank bottles of juice, period. So pause if you need to. I'm going to continue on. Altogether, Fatima's lettuce, broccoli, and peas weigh 968 grams. The total weight of her lettuce and broccoli is shown to the right, 744 grams. Write and solve a number sentence to find out how much the peas weigh. So this is how much the broccoli and lettuce weigh. So the peas are going to weigh, when you subtract 968 minus 744. It's a long mid-module assessment. Fatima weighs a watermelon shown to the right. How much does the watermelon weigh? Okay. Then, leaving the store, Fatima thinks each bag of groceries seems as heavy as a watermelon. Use Fatima's idea about the weight of the watermelon to estimate the total weight of 7 bags, okay? So we're going to use that to estimate. So we would say she has 7 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? And the watermelon we could easily see weighs 3 kilograms. So what we don't know is the total weight. And it's about estimate. So the total weight of 7 bags is about. Okay? Let's continue on. The grocer helps carry about 9 kilograms. Fatima carries the rest. Estimate how many kilograms of groceries Fatima carries. So you're going to have to take this number and subtract 9. This number here and subtract 9, all right? It takes Fatima 12 minutes to drive to the bank after she leaves the store and then 34 more minutes to drive home. How many minutes does Fatima drive after she leaves the store? So it takes her 12 minutes to drive to the bank and another 14 minutes to drive home. So we could write Fatima drives blank minutes after the store. And that one's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, I know you can do a great job on this mid-module assessment. If you finish, you may turn it into the blue bin and log on to Zern. Thank you very much. Have a great day.